Fix this device cannot find enough free resources that it can use. Code 12. Solution 1 and 2, works for Intel CPU users. Run Intel chipset software installation utility at https://goo.gl/onbfsl and check. Uninstall exist. Graphics card driver completely and reinstall. Solution 3, works for AMD CPU. Go to Device Manager, remove motherboard resources, and AMD PCI Express 3GO filter from the System Device subsection. Refer to the following IMG. Rebooted your system afterwards. Other voices on the web. 1. For Intel users, open Device Manager, hit Show Hidden Devices. Remove all the motherboard resources from under System Devices. Remove current display adapter. Remove the ATI PCI 3GO filter driver. Or whatever has the 3GO filter driver. Note, this action will freeze your PC at this stage. You need to press the power button to power off the PC, power back on, and the system will rebuild the device stack and you will find the issue fixed. Run Windows Update. 2. For Windows Vista and later versions of Windows users, use Device Manager to determine the source of the conflict and to resolve the conflict. For Windows Server 2003, Windows XP, and Windows 2000 users only, open Device Manager. Double-click the icon that represents the device in the Device Manager window. On the device property sheet that appears, click Troubleshoot to start the hardware troubleshooter for the device. Refer to the following IMG. 3. Open the Hardware and Devices Troubleshooter. 4. Update the device driver via Device Manager. 5. Check hidden devices. 6. Perform the network reset option. 7. Roll back Windows to a restore point.